What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and if you're like me, you just got your Galaxy Watch and this rotating bezel just is not working. You can't really figure it out. I don't know what's going on. Well, I actually figured out how to fix it, so let me show you. It's actually really simple. Go into your settings list, go all the way down to advanced, and then when you're in advanced, you'll see touch bezel. For some reason, Samsung has this disabled out of the box. Shame on you, Samsung. That's a huge selling feature, is the virtual bezel. Go ahead, turn that on, go back to your home screen, and now, lo and behold, your rotating bezel works 100%. Your watch is not broken. I don't know why Samsung had this disabled out of the box, but there we go. Once you set this up, that virtual bezel is ready to go. Let me know what you guys think about this. Were you going crazy just like I was, kind of thinking my watch was broken and not working, but it just turned out to be a setting. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you out. This is a super simple fix. Samsung, if you're watching, just leave the bezel turned on out of the box. I don't know why you disabled it. Let me know down in the comments below why you think they disabled one of the best selling features of this watch. Catch you guys next time.